Now continuing from the last video, okay, we have seen that we can't proceed further than this value. We can't proceed further than this value. Okay, del 5f means fifth order difference. So that is the last value we. So in the equations, equation number that equations we are going to use for deriving, we need to find out only up to the fifth term. Okay, so let me write down. So h already it is equal to 0.2, and we have del f. So del f of first order, which one is the minimum one? Whenever you decide, you need to check the minimum value. So what is the minimum value here? You can see 7.328, 6.928, then this. So minimum value is 3.968. Next you need to find out difference of second order. So in this table you check which one is the minimum. 0.4, 1.88, 0.304. So 0.304 is the minimum. Then you need to find out del 3f. So come to this column and see this which one is the minimum. Minus 0.464, 1.584, also minimum is this one, minus 1.488. Then to check out of this which one is the minimum, obviously minus 3.072, minus 3.072 is the minimum. And then so for fifth order you don't have any option, you need to check this number only, you don't have any option. So it is 5.120, sorry, minus 5.120. So it is equal to minus 120. So we have all the value, and you have been asked to find out the derivative at x equal to 3. Since they are asking what is f dash 3 or f double dash 3, so that means here x is equal to 3, here x is equal to 3. So here we have x equal to 3. So we can easily find out s equal to how much. So for that, as usual, we know that x equal to x naught plus sh. So x equal to 3. What is x naught? Okay, so let us go to the table. So x naught, this is x naught, this is x1, x2, this is x3, this is x4, so on. So x naught is also equal to 3. So x naught means the first term in the data table. So 3, then s, which we don't know, sorry, and the value of h is given, step length that I have already discussed. So we have 0 s into 0.2. So only option is s is equal to 0. Okay. So we know that what is the equation for f dash x? F dash x naught. Okay. So that equation is nothing but del f naught minus 1 by 2 del 2 f naught plus 1 by 3 del 3 f naught. I'm again repeating that you need to remember all these equations for exam, because in an exam you may not be deriving the whole theory to get the formula. So equation number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these equations at least you need to remember for using it directly in the exam. So you can see that we have done only up to del 5 f naught, because we have terms only up to del 5 f naught. If you have terms only up to del 4 f naught, then you stop there only, you need not go further. So if you put all the values, 1 by h means 0.2, del f naught, what is the value of del f naught? You already got the value of del f naught. Yes, this is a simple same thing, don't worry about that. So del f naught is 3.968, 3.968, sorry. Then 1 by 2 del 2 f naught. So del 2 f naught is 0.304. Plus 1 by 3 del 3 f naught minus 1.488. Minus 1 by 4 del 4 f naught. So del 4 f naught is nothing but minus 3.072, and then 1 by 5 del 5 f naught, that is equal to minus 5.120. So if you simplify this, the result will be around 9.4667. So f dash x naught is equal to this much. So in our case it is equal to, similarly you can use the formula for f double dash x naught, and you will get the answer to be around should be around 200 approximate. Okay, if you can calculate, you can also find some variation, so you can tell me, and if you find some variation in the solution. That's all for the problem solving with the help of Newton's forward difference method.